the segment addition postulate says that if I have 3 points on a line, A, B, C, and this is a segment because it starts at A and ends at C, okay? That means that AB plus BC equals AC. Okay? So if this is 6 and this is 10, 6 plus 10 AC would be 16. Now this program loves question marks, but I replace that with an X so that we can do an equation, okay? So we know that the segment addition postulate says the two pieces equal the total. So you would just set it up as 3 plus X equals 12. When you subtract 3 from both sides, you get X equals 9. Add the two little guys together, and it doesn't matter that they're ugly. The sum of the two pieces equals the whole thing. You just put things where they go. You do not make up math. Math's been made up for a while, so just follow the rules, okay? And remember, the rules do not change. The problems just get more difficult. So if you just write down something you know, we'll get there. Now, I like to put the biggest X on the left. And I'll tell you why in a minute. When we get to inequalities or something like that, it makes more sense. So I'm going to switch this around and do 2x minus 11 equals x minus 8 plus 7. I just changed. And the reason I like that is when I move all the letters to the left and all the numbers to the right, okay? And when you have the biggest X on the left, when you subtract this other guy, it's going to just be a positive number and you don't get negative X's. It's okay if you get a negative X. You just have to divide by -1 and change the sign. But a lot of kids make a mistake at that point. So if I cross the bridge with a positive X, it turns into a negative X, right? So we get X. And now I cross the bridge here with a -11. That turns into a positive 11. So we have 18 minus 8. So X equals 10. So to check it, to make sure that we've gotten the right answer, if I put here 10 minus 8, I get 2, right? If I put here 2 times 10 is 20, minus 11, I get 9, and is 2 plus 7 equal to 9? Then I got a good answer. Okay? All right, so the two parts in that are what? What are the two pieces of that segment? So I like the bigger X is on the left, so that's good. 2x plus 14 plus 6 equals the whole thing, which is x plus 15. Don't put things, you know, oh, 2x plus 14's got to be bigger than x plus 15, so let me put that on the other side alone. Don't do that. You put it where it goes, okay? So now we just start leaving the x alone again, and we have 2x minus x is x, and this adds up to 20. So 15 minus 20 is -5. X can be negative if when we plug it back into the 2x plus 14 and the x plus 15, it doesn't go negative on us. Because you can't have a negative segment length or a negative angle or anything like that. But x can be negative. But they don't want x on this. They want you to find CE. So I look here, and CE is this guy right here. You see him? So we're going to do -5 plus 15 equals 10. The answer is 10 again. That's your final answer. Now we're going to check it just to make sure we're not making a silly mistake. So I know this is 10. And what is 2 times -5? 2 times -5? -10 plus 14 is +4. Is 6 plus 4 equal to 10?
Yep.
So that is a good answer, and that is a good answer.